Right, so I think it was pushed down a little bit too much. Let me just check and see what's in the bottom, if anything. No, nothing at all. So here's the radio itself. It's got all the connections on the back, or the covers for the connections. It's going to be hard getting this out, so let me just push it all down slowly. Hopefully it might be a bit easier once it's down. Let's pop it up on the back now, pull the front up. So that's all we've got. Massive fan, which is brilliant. There's the front of the radio. So I'll be using, I don't know yet, this mic input for definite. That mic might be used for some other equipment that I've got. On the back, I think like most of them that you've already seen. 2 HF inputs, 1 VHF ground, auto ATU. They're just SUNSDR is just coming out with an ATU for an external ATU for this radio. That shouldn't be too long. I've just seen it on the forum today. ALC out, external control. That will be for an amplifier. I'm just sorting out the cable at the minute so I can go to my Expert 1K. RX out, ADC in, DEC out. There's for your power, reference, GPS, LAN, your normal key, and your PTT. So that's what you've got. It's a lot smaller than my Flex, because I'm going on with SDR radios that I've already got. I've got a Flex 3000 here. This is where this is going to go in place of, and I've got a Flex 6300 in Bulgaria, and way bigger than this. It's probably, without the fan on top and the heatsink, probably about 2.5. It's probably out to about here, 2.5, 3 times the area of what this is itself. So it's going to be quite good once I hook it up. I'll do a video of that. Yeah, once I've finished hooking it up. So many cables to go everywhere in my radio room. And then I'll give a quick demo on what I've actually got working with it. Just waiting for the an email giving me information on the amp connection, the data lead, band data, and PTT coming from there. So once I've got everything sorted, I'll post it on Facebook or YouTube with whatever updates I've got, leads and connections. But from what I've seen, I really do like the software for SUNSDR. It's as good or better than the Flex software. Plus you don't have to pay for the updates, whereas with the Flex you do. This is continuous updates from the developers, which is brilliant. So that's about it for now. SUNSDR2 DX, HF 6 and 2 meters. So now I'll see what this is going to do for me. Oh, it's a brilliant radio, so we'll find out. Catch you later, guys.